Dear travelers, to keep you safe, airlines have made some changes to flying. If possible, check in online and use the self-serve baggage drop at the airport. For the sake of your fellow passengers, please wear a face mask and respect social distancing. Health checks may become part of your journey. We're ensuring thorough deep cleaning and disinfection of all areas, from the lounges to the washrooms and especially the plane itself. And airplanes have the advantage of hospital-grade HEPA filters that remove 99.9% of germs and viruses. So while we know travel has changed, your journeys are still out there.